My name's Stephen Kelly and I'm Chair of the Welsh Consultants Committee. We're pleased to announce that we've secured a reformed pay scale for consultants working in Wales. This new pay scale increases pay across all pay points, front-loads pay to early in the career, and also brings commitment awards into the core pay scale. This deal will mean that consultants in Wales will now be the highest paid in the UK, attracting more consultants to work here, help us fill vacancies, and help with the working intensity we're now currently having to endure. The new pay scale has fewer pay points and is 7 years shorter, meaning doctors will not have to wait so long to reach the top of the scale, and indeed, some who would never have reached that point will now be able to do so. In fact, I hope the majority. This will significantly increase career-long earnings, and for most consultants will help increase the value of your pension. We believe this offer goes a long way to restoring pay, as well as helping to retain the workforce, and the Welsh Consultants Committee is therefore recommending that members vote yes for this deal.